guys, since I have not used this set of the smoke and mirrors that I got from Five Below, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a color or two to use from here to see how they are. It's even collecting dust. I've had it so long and never opened it. So, well, I opened it when I showed it to y'all a long time ago, but I haven't opened it since, and I haven't used any of the colors. So let's see here. So you guys just saw I went ahead and glued on my short glue-on full cover nails. Let's see here. I don't know what color I want. This is really pretty, but I have a feeling it's going to be very sheer. This is pretty too, but I'm not ready for this color yet. I'm thinking maybe these two, maybe a glitter nail. Let me open this one. See how it looks. It's really pretty. Gosh, I wish you guys could let me know which one I should use. Honey, come help me pick a color. This one is going to be like a light sparkly color. You can't really see because you won't come over here. Or these two.
I think the pearl pink is more classy.
This? Classy?
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Hubby said he likes it as well. I just hope it shows up. So I'm going to do a couple coats, you know, if it looks a bit light. I have my acetone here in case I need to clean up, and my cleanup brush and a napkin. Okay, so let's see what this do. So far, that's what it looks like. Really pretty, but I'm definitely gonna try a couple coats. So here it is with just one coat, and I feel like it's going to be really thin even with the second coat, and I want the nail to cover as much as possible since they're like so like white. So the second coat I'm going to try this one, the glitter one, because I don't think it's really thick. I'm going to try it on the thumbnail first and see, and then I'll go over that on top of this with this one. But let's see how it looks first. The thing is, do I want them all like that? I'm not sure now. All right, let's see. Okay, well, that's not too bad with the with this coat over it. And then it helps give it a little bit more of a thick layer. So I guess I'll go ahead and do them all like that, and we'll see how they turn out. Worst comes to worst, all I gotta do is just pop them off, girl. So let's see. Guys, so I'm all done. You seen in that last piece, I was adding just a little bit of the glitter to the top of the nail, just to try to make it look a little blended and just to pop out, make it pop a little bit with the glitter. Since going over it with the next coat of this basically did cover it up, so I just did a little bit at the top just so it could show. So I think they turned out okay. The color is very, very light, but it still is really pretty. I let them dry, and I'm just putting on some cuticle oil. I do need to, guys, see, I need to clean this one up. Can't really tell till I'm like staring at them in certain light that I may have missed some spots, but the cuticle oil I'm using is, I think it's pineapple cuticle oil by Pure Joy. It smells so good. Hey guys, so these two were from the Smoke and Mirror set that I got from Five Below. If you guys want to see me swatch the other colors that I didn't use, make sure to either give the video a thumbs up or leave a comment. But here's a look at the finished nails. Not too bad, not too bad. I love all the sparkle, and I love the hint of that purple that you can see in there and some of that holographic color. It is really pretty. So yeah, y'all let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see the other colors, like I said, thumbs up or leave a comment below. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are wondering, I did shoot this video using my ring light. It's my first time, so I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right or have it set up right. But my ring light is on in this video. It's the ring light that I got from CiTi. If you missed that video, I'll leave a link so you guys can see that one. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.